Create a 10 minutes video for YouTube about this article optimized for generating a 10-minute video using in-video AI. The future of electric cars, sustainability, performance, and innovation. Electric vehicles are no longer just a trend, they are the future of transportation. The rapid advancement of electric technology is reshaping the automotive industry, offering sustainability, performance, and innovation like never before. From luxury sedans to high-performance sports cars, the electric revolution is changing how we drive and how we think about cars. In this video, we'll dive deep into the exciting world of electric vehicles, their impact on the environment, and how new innovations in battery and motor technology are transforming the future of driving. What makes electric cars different from traditional vehicles? Electric cars have several key advantages over traditional gasoline-powered vehicles, making them a more eco-friendly and efficient choice for modern drivers. Zero emissions. Unlike gasoline-powered cars, electric vehicles produce zero tailpipe emissions, making them an environmentally friendly option. They help reduce air pollution and contribute to the fight against climate change. Energy efficiency. Electric motors are far more energy efficient than internal combustion engines. In fact, electric cars convert up to 90% of the energy from the battery into motion, compared to just 20 to 30% for gasoline engines.